Welcome students again for the second scene of the chapter, the tsunami. In the previous scene, we have discussed about the different experiences that the people of the Andaman Nicobar Island they have experienced. Now come to the second scene, scene 2. Here we will see what are the different experiences of the people. Here. Before starting the chapter, I hope you all are having the textbook portions in your soft copy, or you may have your hard copy also. So please look at the book, The Tsunami, Scene 2. Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket Beach in Thailand. Though she has won a number of awards, her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. Why do you think they took that decision? Okay, here this portion is about a schoolgirl, British schoolgirl, how she saved many lives during the tsunami. But when the that people of that place means they decided to award this girl, the Tilly Smith, but their parents they did not allow her to receive, or they didn't want to be that much of famous when she was awarded. But why they did so? Let's discuss here. Now here is a story from Thailand. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. It was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered the beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening. That means Tilly Smith and her family, that means her sister, her parents, they were to a resort, a beach resort in southern Thailand to celebrate Christmas over there. When the tsunami struck over there, it was on 26 December 2004 when the waves were already on their way. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. So when they received the shock or the alarm on that earlier that morning on 26 December, when they got the alarm of the tsunami, the water was swelling and kept coming in. Means the level of water rising is getting higher and higher. Penny Smith remembered the beach was getting smaller and smaller. Means the water continuously coming towards the beach. So it is said that the beach was getting smaller because when the water is coming towards the beach, it means the beach was no more there. It is fully covered with water. I didn't know what was happening. For some moment, they didn't know or they didn't get what was happening there. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. But something was happening in her mind, that something was wrong over there. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. Why she was thinking so? Because just before a few days or 2 weeks, she had attended a geography lesson in her school in England before coming to Thailand with her family. Tilly saw the sea slowly rise and start to foam, bubble and foam whirlpools. She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video of a tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian Islands in 1946. So in the year 1946, once it was happened in the Hawaiian Islands, this type of tsunami was happened, and she had seen the video of this happening in her class. So that thing was kept on coming in her mind. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides. She also remembered that her teacher that she had shown the video and told the students or to her also that tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides. Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. She got more and more hysterical, said her mother, Penny. I didn't know what a tsunami was, but seeing my daughter so frightened, I thought something serious must be going on. That means when Tilly remembered the video in her class that was shown in her class, she suddenly screamed to her family and told them to get off the beach. She talked about an earthquake under the sea, and she also told that an earthquake had occurred under the sea area. She got more and more hysterical, said her mother Penny. But as her mother didn't know about tsunami, but seeing her daughter so frightened, she thought something was serious over there. So that's why Tilly was screaming. Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach to the swimming pool at the hotel. A number of other tourists also left the beach with them. Then, it was as if the entire sea had come out after them. I was screaming, run. Means as soon as Tilly started screaming to leave the beach, Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from there to a swimming pool at the hotel. A number of other tourists, they also followed with them. Then it was as if the entire sea had come out after them. Means as soon as they started running from the beach, the entire sea also followed them. I was screaming, run, but Tilly was continuing her screaming to run away from the beach. The family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. The building withstood the surge of 3 tsunami waves. If they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. So when the family came to the hotel and they had taken the refuge in the third floor of the hotel, the building withstood the surge of 3 tsunami waves. But they were recalling that if they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. The Smiths later met other tourists who had lost entire families. Thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson, they had been forewarned. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmates her terrifying tale. That means it was due to Tilly that because as she had seen in the video that was shown in her class about the tsunami effect in Hawaiian Islands, that was remembered, and at the same time she recalled that the scenario, that means what was going to be happen after that, so that she that means with the help of that teaching, with the help of that teacher who had shown her the video, she was able to save her family and at the same time some other tourists. And when she went back to the school, she told her classmates and the school about the event, about the incident that had happened in the beach. Now look at the comprehension check. Answer the following in a phrase or a sentence. Number 1. Why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? Why did Tilly's family come to Thailand means why they came there. Tilly's family came to Thailand to celebrate Christmas at the beach resort in southern Thailand. Now number 2. What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? means what were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw over there? The answer will be, they had already experienced the massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. Tilly's mother saw that the water was swelling and the beach was getting smaller. Tilly saw that the sea was slowly rising, bubbling and forming a whirlpool. This was the warning signs both the mother and Tilly saw. Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? Tilly's mother, and the answer will be, Tilly's mother could not understand what was happening and only realized that it was serious when Tilly got frightened and mentioned what a tsunami was. Because Tilly had seen and had listened in the class. From there, she alarmed the danger. But Tilly's mother had no idea about that. Number 4. Where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? Answer will be, Tilly had seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion video of tsunami which was shown in her class by her geography teacher. It was seen to her by the geography teacher in her class. Now come to the